How to identify and address financial challenges in your business. Really, if you're a business owner and you want to make sure that you're identifying any of these situations that are maybe arising in your business, it all comes down to the foundation of making sure your numbers are up to date and accurate. Because if your bookkeeping is not up to date and accurate, you have no idea how your business is performing. And one of the ways that I like to look at a business and their up-to-date financial statements is to look at a picture of a profit and loss over a period of time. And I would suggest, the last 12 months, looking at a profit and loss, identifying the three elements that are in any financial model: revenue, costs of delivering that revenue, and overhead costs. And what you can look at in there is, one, your profit margin. If your gross profit is continuing to drop, that's when you're having issues that could turn into long-term issues inside your business. We want to make sure that your profit margin is continuously maintained, if not going up. And here's a couple ideas for you. If your profit margins are dropping, either your material costs are going up, which should signify you have to increase your prices, your labor is becoming inefficient, or there's waste or spoilage in whatever costs that you're delivering on those revenues. So if our margins are dropping, the number one thing we need to look at is our pricing strategy and how we can introduce increased prices to maintain or increase our gross profit margin. The second is, again, over a period of time, you can see a pattern, is looking at our overhead costs. The total overhead costs at the bottom, which is a summary of all of those expenses, as you watch them, they should be flat. If you continue to see them going up over time, there's a challenge with your overhead creeping up, which is going to cause lack of profitability at the end of the day. And between those two, you're going to identify opportunities in your business to improve, but you're also going to identify issues that are happening within your business. And then lastly is looking at the bottom line profit in the business, which is, once you understand your gross profit and your overhead cost, it's purely a volume game. So if your revenue is continuing to drop down and you're not reducing your overhead costs, your profit, your bottom line profit in your business is going to go down, if not zero or negative. So those are the main areas you need to focus on in your business to identify opportunities and potential issues that are coming down the road.